Hello all, this is Centenarian Lifestyle. I'm here for a quick minute to tell you what I'm eating. I made plant-based burgers and blueberry jelly. This is awesome stuff. So I have that on my toast. And it's yummy. And it's easy to make. Put a little water, put it on low heat, let it sit for 2 hours. Oh my God, it's delicious. This is a plant-based burger. It's 2 patties on there with lettuce, onion, tomato, and the cheese is plant-based. I usually make my own, but I bought it this time. And it's a double cheeseburger with onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. That is the best burger I ever had in my life. Because it's double spicy. I have hot sauce in there. I got mustard. Oh my God, it's so good. Thank you for watching me eat my burger. Plant-based is the way to go.